In this video, I'm going to show you how to put 3 hairs on Roblox 2024. So first off, just go to Chrome extensions, or what I mean is just click the Chrome web store. All you have to do is just search for BT Roblox, making the Roblox better. So add this to Chrome. Yeah. So once you have that, go to your Roblox and go to your avatar. Make sure you have opened your BT Roblox. And as you can see here, there are many more options you could do, and this won't work if the Roblox will get a patch. Now once you have this extension, you could equip more hair in your Roblox. So if I try it, you could see. So I just have to exit this, and as you can see, I could literally equip 2 hairs at once, or 3 or 4 or 5, or as many as you want. So it is only available in hairs and not in any some object, and that's it.